Hello, my dear students. Very good morning. And today we will discuss about the basic milk management. So the milk can be defined as the entire latent secretions that of mammary glands of animals obtained by the process of milking during the period flowing at least 70 to 27 hours after the calving. During the 27 hours after calving, it is called colostrum. And as you know, the आपको बहुत चीज़ें पता होती है लेकिन आपको लिखना होता है पेपर के अंदर तो यू हैव टू नो अबाउट दैट language of the gem, and that's why milk is a white opaque colloidal fluid with some expectation it is tan yellowish in color, and some breed of cattle milk contain essential nutrients required for humans and animals health, especially for infant and children. अगर हम मिल्क की बात करें तो इस milk is of very great importance in the world economy. In some countries like Denmark, Netherlands, New Zealand, their economy is based on the milk. You will be very surprised to know that कि कुछ देशों की जो इकोनॉमी होती है वो केवल मिल्क के ऊपर डिपेंड है. And for the commercial purpose, milk is divided into the two constituents. One is fat, another is SNF. So, in case of cow milk, the fat percentage is 3.5 to 5.5%. In case of buffalo milk, it is 5.5 to 7.5. SNF is 8.5 to 9, and in case of buffalo, SNF is 8 to 9.0. It's same almost. Water is slightly more in cattle milk. So there is some properties of milk. अगर हम बात करें तो there is chemical property. There is nothing more chemical property except the pH. That is pH of milk is 6.5 to 7.5, and in some acidic in nature due to presence of lactic acid in milk. This acidity help to curbing the heat stability, and physical property are like taste and color. The normal taste and fresh milk slightly sweet and aromatic in color, and these two things are come from the presence of lactose and fat in the milk, and the aromatic odor of the generally affected by the feed intake of the animal. The color is generally white opaque liquid with some exceptions. There is specific gravity. Milk is heavier than water. The specific gravity of milk is 1.08 1.018 to 1.038, and it's vary with the temperature. Higher the temperature, less the specific gravity. And अगर boiling point की बात करें तो the boiling point of milk is higher than the water, and the boiling point of milk is 100 degree 100.5 degree Celsius as compared to 100 degree of water. And the freezing point of water milk is slightly lower than the milk. It is 0.545 degrees Celsius as compared to 0 degree Celsius to water. Surface tension of milk at the 20 degree Celsius is 54.5 Dalton per centimeters, which is decreased with the increase in temperatures. अगर हम viscosity की बात करें तो viscosity of milk is higher than the water due to presence of dissolved solids. Next is the factor affecting milk composition. Usually generally there are two factors which are affecting the milk composition. One is physiological, second is environmental. अगर हम physiological control की बात करें तो it is not much under the control, but it can change the managed environment, a factor for better production and term of quality and quantity. There is following environment factor which can be affect the quality and quantity of milk. First is breed and specific of species of animal. The breed of the main non we can say breed of main non-nutritional factor which affect this quality and quantity of milk. Some breed have high fat and SNF, some in low. Just like a breed in buffalo like Godavari have very high fat percentage. So it's vary with the breeds. and changing occurring in normal lactations during the normal lactation period of the constituent of milk change with a great deal. And the first 2 to 3 days of colostrum, there is a high rich in protein during the peak yield, and as enough product portion decreased due to more quantity of milk productions, and similarly during the end of lactation. Day-to-day variations, there is milk quantity and change by the excitement and stress cycles, incomplete milking, and some other factors may decrease this. Next is age of milk. Older the animal's milk has low constant count of lesser quantity interval between the milking. If there is interval affect the fat constituent, and longer the interval of the less fat. There is pregnancy. If the in later period of the animal's pregnancy and SNF decrease with the effect on the fat quantity of also seen. Excitement की बात करें तो if there is animal is exciting, then there is more incomplete milking and lower the fat, but no milk of SNF quantity has less. Environmental temperature की बात करें तो at the lower temperature fat increase, at a higher temperature SNF increase. Exercising की बात करें तो heavy exercise decrease the quantity and increase the fat. Heavy exercise decrease the quantity and increase the fat and higher temperature SNF portion. Disease की बात करें, disease in animal, we can say animal temperament is increased, fat and SNF is low. अगर मेथड ऑफ क्लीन मिल्क की बात करें कि क्लीन मिल्क का प्रोडक्शन कैसे लें हम, तो हेल्थ हेल्ड है, वो हेल्थ है ऑफ हेल्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू क्लीन एनिमल को क्लीन करो, क्लीन सराउंडिंग को क्लीन रख सकते हो आप, फ्लाई कंट्रोल करो, जो मिल्कर है वो अपने हाथ वगैरह अच्छे धोए, और बर्तन है वो डम शेप में हो और अच्छी तरह धुले हुए हो, मिल्किंग पेल है, और फीडिंग ऑफ एनिमल दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कूलिंग ऑफ स्टोरेज ऑफ मिल्क, दूध निकालने के बाद उसको स्टोर करना बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. So this is the basic about the production and management of the milk. For the clean milk productions, basically you should know about the some parameters like you have to maintain the cleanness surrounding the animals. You have to manage the fly control. आप fly control के लिए repellent use कर सकते हो. Clean milking के लिए आप उसको animals के teats को अच्छी तरह दो, और बेसिकली उसके अंदर ये काफ़ी चीज़ें मेंटेन करनी होती है, वो चीज़ें मेंटेन करो. ठीक है. मिल्किंग पेल है, उसमें आप एक ही एनिमल को लागू करो एक टाइम पे, और उसमें आप अच्छी तरह उसमें क्लीननेस हो, उसका जो फिशेज एनिमल का जो फिशेज है उसको अच्छी तरह कंट्रोल करना है. एंड बेसिकली फीडिंग ऑफ एनिमल इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको पता ही होगा. फॉर द एडिशनल 1 kg ऑफ for the additional 2.5 kg of milk, you have to give 1 kg constant more to the animals for the maintenance of the production of milk. Uh, after everything, there is cooling and storage of milk is very important. आप मिल्क की जो कूलिंग एंड स्टोरेज है वो करोगे, दैट इज वाई बिकॉज हम हमारी जो कन्वेंशनल जो तरीका है उसमें बहुत सारा दूध खराब होता है. दैट्स वाई स्टोरेज ऑफ मिल्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड टिल दी it goes to the we can say the economic system, we can say there is organized sector like Vita and others, they maintain their quantity and quality and quantity, and make different type of products from the milk, clean milks. That's why if you you can also go for processing of milk at home. So cleaning and storage of milk is very important. In next class we will discuss about the poultry production and their management.